I'm kind of shook. I was not expecting this at all. I wasn't expecting this at all. When Janet Collection said this is gonna melt, that's what they meant, sis. That's what they meant. That's exactly what they meant. As you can see, today's video is going to be another gem dropping video for y'all. All of my babes out there who are on a budget, all of my babes out there who are stacking our coins in 2021, trying to save as many coins as we can save. I got you. I got you. Janet Collection was so kind enough to reach out to me to do a hair review for them. I'm so happy that they reached out. Thank you so much. And they sent me over their website, and I went on their website, and they had so many freaking options to choose from. So many. They had some affordable options, and then they also had some hair that's on a higher end, higher quality as well. What you are seeing right now, of course, is affordable. We can get it from the link in my description box. Will take you to the website to purchase a particular unit if you are interested in getting it. All right. So I pretty much just have my hair in two cornrows going straight to the back, and I have my braids like pulled up and tucked up with bobby pins. I also made sure to moisturize and seal my hair all over, so that way it is, you know, just has some type of moisture and, you know, good to flourish and do what it needs to do while it's up under my wig. So here is the packaging for the wig. Again, I'm going to be reviewing the Janet Collection Melt Transparent Hairline with Extended Part Lace. Here's the card here. So this wig has HD lace, and it's not a completely full lace wig like the part as far as the parting space, but it does have a really, you know, long parting space. It's pre-plucked. It has a pre-plucked hairline, and the lace on this wig is Swiss lace. So Swiss lace pretty much means transparent. It pretty much means scalp. Okay, it's very similar to HD lace as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. All right. Okay. This is the This wig will run you under $50 on the Jenna Collection website. I'm going to leave all of the information in the description box for you guys to go ahead and purchase the order. Just to give you a few specs on the hair is beautiful. I'm running my hands through it. It does not tangle easily. It does shed. The hair sheds. I don't know, and it's weird. It's just this side of my head for some reason is shedding. It's like, and I'm talking about, I'm pulling out handfuls of, I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm pulling out handfuls of hair. And it's just on this side of the wig. And I don't know why it's doing that, but yeah. As far as the density of this wig, the density of the wig is very, it's a natural look. I wouldn't say that it's super full because it's clearly not super full. But if you want to get a wig that has like a really, really natural look, this is a wig for you. I feel like this will be an everyday wig. Like this is a wig that I could put on to go to work. This is a wig that I could just throw on for the day so I can just make sure that my hair looks laid and I look good. Because of the length, the length is real natural, and also the wave pattern, the color is natural, and it's just an easy to go wig. Like it took me under 30 minutes to actually apply the wig. I did not pluck anything. The only thing that I did do was I did pluck the hairline. The hairline came pre-plucked, and the lace also came tinted. The lace was like a dark brown color, so it came tinted. So the only thing that I had to do was I did pluck the front of my hair where my baby hairs were out, and I could go in and pluck my baby hairs some more, but I kind of like them a little thick and chunky. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I want to leave all the information in the description box below. I know that HD lace is all the rave right now, and it is one of the best lace types to get because it looks the most natural. So I'm very impressed. The wig is giving HD. It's giving scalp. It definitely melted. The lace construction is very, very good. I have more than enough parting space. I did not pluck. I didn't pluck my part just because I was lazy. But I definitely did pluck a little bit from the front of the wig, and I went in and cut out some extra baby hairs. Now, regarding my baby hairs, I don't do my baby hairs this dramatic, but the reason why I did it this dramatic was because I wanted to show how thick the hairline was when I first pulled the wig out of the box and put it on. The hair definitely tangles. With synthetic hair though, you're going to get tangling. Do not get any type of hair that's not virgin hair and expect for it not to tangle, because virgin hair tangles. But it doesn't tangle a lot. I've had some synthetic hair that was just horrible with tangling, and this hair does not tangle half as much as that hair did. Slept in this unit overnight. I put my bonnet and my scarf on, slept in it, woke up, and then touched up the front, and it looks better today than what it did yesterday. Which you will see the clips from me doing it yesterday. But yeah, when I slept with it, I tied it up, put my bonnet on, I just took it out and I combed it out and just did my little 1-2 in the front, and then that was it. Now, as far as shedding, that would be the only downfall with this unit. It sheds like nobody's business. The shedding is crazy. I'm not even gonna hold you. That's the only thing, the only downfall. Like I'm pulling hair out right now. That would be the only downfall, but the hair quality itself is really, really good. The lace on here is amazing for this to be synthetic, and for it to be the price that it is, that is amazing as well. I'm gonna leave all of the information in the description box down below for you guys to purchase this unit if you are interested. Again, her name is Bella, and she's in the color 1B. The cons, like I said, is really just shedding. Oh, as far as density, the wig, it's not like a high density, I don't think. Like if you want more of a natural everyday wig, everyday look, I feel like this wig is perfect for that, because it's not super thick and full and voluptuous to where it looks like you should be at somebody's club, you should be in Miami, you should be in a Beyonce video. It's not giving you that. It's giving you very much so everyday girl, I'm going into the office but I want to slay still. That's what it's giving you. And it doesn't really have a curl. It just had like a nice beachy wave, which I like. One thing I also don't like is the cut of how, that's why I got it behind my ear, because I feel like it looks cuter like this. But one thing I also don't like is how the layering is cut. I feel like the layers are kind of long. And I was gonna go in and cut some more layers in it, but when you cut synthetic hair, it's a hit or miss. And most times it's a miss. So I didn't want to ruin a wig and cut it and it not curl or lay right. So I'm just leaving it like this. But y'all, I am impressed. I definitely recommend this hair. You all know my reviews are 100. Even though this wig was sent to me, I did not get paid to do this video. They sent me the wig to review and give an honest review, and I take pride in getting honest reviews. And I genuinely feel like this wig is worth purchasing. If you want something that's affordable, if you want something that's going to give you a high quality look before an affordable price, and you just need something last minute, this is great for that. This is great for in between your this is great for in between your expensive installs when you want to still slay and look cute. You want a frontal look, you want a closure look, but you ain't really ready to go get your sew-in or your wig sewed by your stylist. You can go to the beauty supply store and apply this at home, and in the meantime, until it's time for you to get your hair done again, and you ain't breaking the bank. Or if you like me, you know, you learn how to do your hair at home, and it doesn't matter how much something costs, you make it look good because because of you. It has nothing to do with the price. It has everything to do with you, your confidence, your creativity, how you're able to finesse. And baby, when I tell you that Janet collection, the melt transparent, they finessed. So yeah, my baby hairs, they not really to my liking, but I did that for a reason, as I explained. And this part right here, I had to do that like that because that's where I burnt my lace. That's where it holds at. You can't tell, can you? Yes. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The clips I recorded yesterday was just all over the place. So I am going to still include them so you can see me in action with the wig, and you can see the wig when it first come out of the box. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy New Year. Don't forget to subscribe, like, drop some comments, and share this video everywhere. Tell your mama, tell your brothers, tell your cousins, tell your aunties, tell your grandma, tell your kids, everybody that Janet collection is coming in 2021. They coming.